Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the main ways you can earn money on Twitch, even as a small or growing streamer. The first and most common method is becoming a Twitch affiliate or partner, which unlocks subscriptions, bits, and ads. Viewers can subscribe monthly to support you, and you earn a share of that revenue. Bits are virtual cheers viewers buy and use in chat, and you earn money from every bit used. Ads also generate income when they play on your stream, though they work best with consistent viewership. Another popular income source is donations. You can set up donation links using platforms like PayPal or Streamlabs, allowing viewers to send direct support during live streams. Sponsorships are another option as your channel grows. Brands may pay you to promote games, products, or services during your stream or on social media. You can also earn through affiliate links by recommending gear or games and earning a commission on sales. Selling merchandise like shirts, hoodies, or digital products adds another revenue stream and helps build your brand. Some streamers also make money through YouTube content, highlights, or tutorials linked to their Twitch channel. To increase earnings, focus on consistency, engaging with chat, and building a loyal community. Money on Twitch grows with trust, entertainment, and value over time, not overnight success. Subscribe the channel for more videos.